Hello everybody, just wanted to do an update on ICONOMI, maybe on crypto in general. Well, it's been really good times, right? Bitcoin is almost at 3,000 US dollars. Amazing times. I mean, I can't believe how fast things are moving. It's also a bit scary, a dip is coming, I'm sure. But in general, crypto is booming. Ethereum is at 230 euros. Amazing. As you speak, ICONOMI is this is the 7th of May, 7th of June 2016, and ICONOMI is now €1.30. And there's big news. I'm very excited. The chart's like this. We had a huge pump in April, or just before April. And I was really excited about that. I thought I made a video about how we're going to the moon, about a repayment program, and it's going up. It's going to be live soon, I said, because that was the estimate. The website said early 2017. Now it says coming 2017, so there was a lot of unclear when we were going to launch. But now we had an AMA with new exciting information that I want to talk about. So let's just look at the chart for a second. We had the big pump and then a correction to about the same level, right? And we've been, ICONOMI is doing quite well considering the rise of Bitcoin value and Ethereum. So the value's gone up in euro and in US dollars. But if you had invested in Ethereum in ICN with euros, or with ICN, Ethereum, or with Bitcoins, then if you had held the Bitcoin or had held the F most specifically, then you would have made more profit because Ethereum went up a lot. So, but still, it's not bad at all. With Ethereum of ICN went up in dollar value a lot. It's a good investment still, but not as good as held Ethereum. But as you can see, I bought quite a few here, because I think we're gonna explode very soon. Why do I think this? First of all, there's a new app. There's a lot of news. There's a lot of stuff happening on the ICONOMI front. I feel they're working hard. The platform is doing very well. Let me log in. I just logged into the ICONOMI platform. As you can see, I have quite a few dollars invested in ICONOMI. It's performing amazingly. This is the ICNX portfolio. As you can see, the 1 month has been 144%. Yeah, it's amazing. The only thing I miss here is my initial investment value, because that would be very low. I invested, I don't know, when I bought my first ICNX, I got beta access, but I've made 200-300%, I think, already. It's amazing. It works very well. The balance is currently constantly updated with new coins and better projects. They're very up on their game. It's very good. It looks beautiful. It works very well. You can deposit. You can use now Ethereum and Bitcoin and ICONOMI for now. You can see your activity, what you did, what you sold, what you invested. And they have the ICMP, of course, which you can't buy yet. I wish I could. Because this is going absolutely insane. Yeah, ICONOMI knows their stuff. What they invest in, Cosmos, Eternity, Aragon, they're all amazing. Byteball, Golem, they're all the best, the A-level investments in crypto, and they're all in it. And that's how they got to 43 million US dollars now. It's amazing. They have so much investment capital, and this is why I believe in ICONOMI's future as well. They have a lot of money to spend. They can improve their platform, and they're very professional. So, but what's the big news? I went through the AMA of June, and I took out a few of the answers just to make it easy for me to read. First of all, the major one: could you give any estimate when the platform is supposed to be launched? And then the main developer, Johnny, or project lead, answers, "Hi, thanks for the question. It's been a long process since we started working on ICONOMI. We are pleased to announce that all ICO supporters will have access by the end of June. While there's still things we are working on, we can also announce that we believe the public launch will definitely happen within 2 months. So within 2 months, that means June, July. Yeah, it's soon. It's really soon, guys. It's amazing. I'm very happy about that. They're working hard. It's gonna launch soon. That's why I bought more ICN right away. The next question I really like, and the answer is the ICN token originally started as a part ownership token. However, from the last AMA, Johnny states that it will have a utility in the platform, so the ICN token will have some extra functionality. Seeing as there's limited information and none on the white paper, what's the value proposition of the ICN token? What's it used for? Please be clear, so we know where the value is derived from. It's a very good question from DNX. Yanni answers, the value of the ICN token comes from 2 places. The main value is through our buyback program. What they do, with profits they make and the fees on the ICONOMI platform once it's launched, they will buy back the ICN themselves and destroy it, burn it. So lowering the amount of ICN available and providing buy pressure for the ICN coin. This is why I believe it's going to go up a lot, especially once the platform is live and a success. And the answer secondly is via the utility of the ICN within the platform. There will be an update for all investors once the platform is launched. So there's more info coming. ICN will be required for DAA managers to make specific actions. So I don't know, I'm brainstorming here, but I'm assuming that if you want to create a digital assets array, you need to pay some fees in the form of ICN. Again, or maybe if you want to update it or promote it, I don't know. So this could be a very good way to give buy pressure to ICN as well. So very cool. Another question was recently Coinbase and Gemini in the USA, plus another exchange, have been issues keeping up with growing demand. So how are they going to deal with potentially unforeseen growth? Let's hope this happens, of course. Huge growth. Crypto Danite asks this, and the platform is built from the ground up with process automation and scalability in mind. By raising sufficient funding during our initial ICO, we are able to focus on our long-term goals. That's a nice thing to hear. One of these is scalability. We think focusing on scalability instead of just trying to make money as quickly as possible will put us and you in a much better position. This is why ICONOMI and ICN is my long-term biggest hold in crypto, because I think the slow and steady wins the race. This is going to go great. There will be only a few processes that will be handled or initiated manually. So they have some automated system. And they're hiring. So if you want a job, look them up. So I'm very excited about that as well. That they've been focusing on growth and scalability, which is nice to hear. Another question: how far along is development of the digital assets array for individual managers? From Black Ninja Kapow. I think the first beta managers will be able to create simulations of their DAA structure before the end of summer, which is pretty soon. And the platform has been designed from the ground up with multiple digital assets arrays in mind. So that sounds good. The platform launch in 2017 remains very much our plan. So that's not a hard deadline, of course, but still, I'm excited about that. It sounds very great. What this means, by the way, digital assets arrays, is that you can create your own mix of coins on the ICONOMI platform and then invest in that or even promote that. And so let's say you want to create a nice portfolio and ask your friends or family members to invest, and you want to have a nice mix of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Monero, whatever coins you want to invest in, right? You can create your own, and it's a very nice way to invest in crypto. And the final question I really liked, this is great. Will you be able to hold my portfolio in US dollar or euro on the platform once you implement Fiat Gateway? And the answer, yes. ICONOMI will provide the simplest way to onboard anyone into crypto. This is huge in my opinion. I mean, I know so many people, non-tech people, just regular investors or normal people who want to get into the crypto space, but they don't know about wallets, they don't know about blockchains and syncing and backing up and all that stuff. They're scared. They don't want to step into this thing, and they just want to send their money to a company like normal and invest, just like at a bank. well, this is what they're going to build. They're having it a simple way to just send euros or US dollars and click a button and you have crypto. Amazing. I'm excited. This is going to be, in my opinion, a huge success. Yeah, good job, ICONOMI. Good luck. I'm very excited about the platform. I've been using it a long time now and it's amazing. The profits are amazing. Of course, crypto is booming, so that's not that hard, but even during dips lately in beginning of May, end of March, it didn't crash that much. It did great. It's really, really good. So I'm predicting this is gonna go way up very soon. So this is not investing advice. Please don't risk any money you can't afford to lose. But if you want to invest in some crypto, maybe diversify your Ethereum, your Bitcoin investments, get some ICN on Kraken, and let's do this.